What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can add a music on your Instagram post. So let's jump into the video. What you need to do, first you have to open up your Instagram account. So after opening your Instagram account, you have to click on your profile. Then if you want to add a post on Instagram, you have to click on the plus bar icon. Then you have to select the photo that you want to post on Instagram. Then you have to hit next. So after doing so, you can find a bunch of music here that are trending on Instagram. So if you don't like them, you have to click on browse option here, and you have to click on search, and you can search any music that you want to like on your post. So after searching and selecting your music like this, you can add them here, and you can pretty much add the any portion of the music that you like to be on your post. After doing all of those things, you have to click on this icon here. Now you are ready to go. Then you hit next and post this picture with music on your Instagram. So this is how you can add music to your Instagram post. I hope you find this video helpful guys. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.